We are making alphabet soup soap. I don't really know what to call it. In here are my melted oils, olive oil, coconut oil, and shea butter. I'm going to mix in my lye water solution right here into it. Oops. Usually I go down my stick blender, but I guess today we're running amok and we're not. So there's that. Alright, I just realized I do not have this plugged in yet. Crisis averted. Alright. Pulse this on up. So colors, purple, yellow, and natural. All about the same. Here are these two. There we go. Purple base color, a yellow orangey over here, and nothing over here. So this one, I'm going to just set off to the side because I'm not going to do anything with it. These here are going to get colored. One's going to be colored with this lab color. Honestly, I would know what color it was, but I don't have that right here, so I'll put it below. So this is an orange yellow lab color. I think it's orange, but it usually comes out yellow or lightens up from the orange. So there's that. Next I'm going to be putting in some red lab color into this one. The exact red I'll put down in the description. This is going to be a purple, so I'm going to do red. And then I'm going to do some of the blue micas that I have mixed up here. So this is Tidal Wave mica from Nurture Soap. It's mixed with grapeseed oil. Oops. Mix it up a little bit more here. And then I have some Brandis Blue from Nurture Soap here also that I'm going to also mix up with grapeseed oil that I'm going to put in. See where that puts me for the color I'm looking for. I'm looking for a purple, a little blue at the moment. Put a little bit more of the red lab color into it, mix it up again. I'm going to pulse this a little. So here are my three colors: orange, purple, plain. This accelerates, so I'm going to bring my 1 pound mold over here. Let me back these up out of the way. So this is my 1 pound mold that I'm going to be using. I'm going to mix my oils in here one at a time. Or the oil in here one at a time. So this one is the purple. Mix it very slowly because it does accelerate trace, so I'm not going to pulse anymore. So that is mixed in. So bulk of this is going to go in. Right now. Just realized I need gloves on, everybody. Let me clean this up here. Alright, so fragrance oil is going on these other two. This one here is going to go first. And this one. I'm just going to put the fragrance oil in there. Now I'm just going to stir it up. Fragrance oil turned it a yellow, if you can see that. So this is going to just be drop swirled in here. Looks like that first layer. It got a little too seized up on me, so I probably should have mixed these things a bit faster, but oh well. Live and learn. I love the inside. So this one was purple, a yellow, it was orange when I poured it, but I said that it was going to get lighter, so it's kind of a yellowy orange. And then the natural soap color. This is the end piece. So this one I'm not going to measure, and this has to do with the fact that these are not perfectly put in there, and I only got 1, 2, 3, 4 on. So I'm going to cut these, try to cut these as even as possible here. So this one, obviously you've just watched the video accelerate on me, and I don't think looked very nice when it was in there, but I have to say I am falling in love with the swirl. I did want a drop swirl. It's definitely a drop swirl. One thing I'm thinking, you can let me know, is I was thinking of possibly cutting off the ABCs, or the letters that are on here. This one, besides this last one, are like my husband and my kids' initials. I told my husband I finally made him a soap. So these last few are going to be little chunky little things, but each very different. So this concept for this soap didn't actually turn out the way that I wanted in terms of the letters, so I'm going to try that idea, this idea, a different time with a high top soap, meaning a soap that has the frosting on top. Let's see. This one, I didn't actually have anyone's official initials on, so let's see what happens if I cut off these letters here. Save those for later. So this is what this one looks like with that cut off. There you are. Can bring in for a close up here.